In this video, I will guide you how to get LTX reference audio for ID-LoRA works regardless of your ComfyUI, like the desktop version or the portable version, and also regardless of your ComfyUI version, like 18.5, 18.2, doesn't matter. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for this channel, or just sharing it with everyone that have the same problem as you. So first, this one is really cumbersome. Like, I'm doing a lot of reading here in their GitHub, and the answer is way simpler. So there is 3 way to get this works. So the method number 1 is the simplest one. Just go to your manager, to custom node manager. I know this is kind of no-brainer, but just type like ID-LoRA, and you're gonna see ID-LoRA LTX 2.3 ComfyUI. Install this one. If you are lucky, you can making this one like works right away, but a lot of people not able to doing that. So we are gonna move to the method number 2, which is the one that I using and making it works in my ComfyUI. So the method number 2 is just you go to your custom node in here, and in there you need to installing 2 custom node. Number 1 is ID-LoRA, and the second one is ComfyUI ID-LoRA LTX. So both are already being written in this GitHub repo, but there's a lot of stuff in here, man. It's way simpler, man. It's way simpler. What you are need to do, just git clone to your ComfyUI, like ID-LoRA in here. Git. The second one is the same one, but with extra space comfy space UI dash ID dash LoRA dash LTX. After that, don't forget, this is the important step in here. Click your manager and go to update and change from stable version, if you are using stable version, to nightly version. After that, you click update ComfyUI. After that, restart the ComfyUI. After that, you are able to like typing like LTX ID-LoRA, and you are gonna see this node. There you go. But if it's not works, don't worry. You need to doing the same, like change to a night version and click switch ComfyUI. So regardless of your ComfyUI version, switch to nightly. After switch to nightly, doing the same thing, update ComfyUI. After you update ComfyUI, restart the UI in the browser, and after that, you are good to go. You have this node works. For the third method, if you still have problem, my friend also have problem following my second method, so he make a bit adjustment. So basically what he does, he was just combining my method number 1 and method number 2, which is go to custom node, and he was installing these 3: ID-LoRA LTX 2.3 ComfyUI, also installing ID-LoRA, and installing ComfyUI ID-LoRA LTX. after he installing all of those and also installing the requirement, the second method too, you need to installing requirement. I'm sorry, you need to installing the requirement for every method. After that, he following the same step uh, as the second one, change to nightly version, and he switch to nightly version in here. He update ComfyUI. After that, he restart the UI and he got the LTX reference audio ID-LoRA. So hopefully this video can help you. And also, if you like this content, please uh, subscribe, like, and also share to everyone who got the same problem. So see you again in another video. Bye.